The slopes of the Mayan mountains are hemmed in by Garden of Eden forests, which have almost a miraculous beauty. Tropical rainforests are famously tangled, wet, and filled with more species of plants and animals than any other habitat on Earth. In Belize, this includes 5 different species of wildcats, those camouflaged hunters on silent paws. Because of this rich diversity in the rainforest, it is imperative to stake your claim to territory. None do it better in Belize than the howler monkeys. "75% of Belize is covered by tropical forest, and half of that is protected. You will discover nature in its pristine state, a poetry of creation, the magic of colors and shapes. Exploring the tropical waterways is a